If you've just bought a Dell Alienware X15 R2, or you're thinking about upgrading yours, don't skip this video. Today, I'll show you how to set up this powerful gaming laptop, upgrade the memory from 16GB to 40GB, and explain why this upgrade can make a noticeable difference in your daily workflow and gaming performance. The Dell Alienware X15 R2 is one of Dell's premium gaming laptops, built for gamers, content creators, engineers, and professionals who need serious performance. This particular model comes with an Intel Core i7 processor, a dedicated NVIDIA graphics card, a stunning high-refresh display, and excellent cooling for demanding tasks. Out of the box, this laptop has 16GB of DDR5 memory, which is perfectly fine for gaming, office work, and everyday multitasking. But if you're editing 4K videos, running virtual machines, using Adobe Creative Cloud, CAD software, AI tools, or simply want smoother multitasking, you'll quickly appreciate having more memory. Today we're upgrading this machine from 16GB to 40GB of DDR5 RAM. Before buying memory, it's important to know the correct RAM type. The Dell Alienware X15 R2 uses DDR5 SO-DIMM laptop memory, and depending on the configuration, it supports high-speed DDR5 modules. Always check your specific model's supported speed before purchasing. Remove the bottom cover carefully using the proper screwdriver and a plastic opening tool. In this system, we're replacing one memory module with a larger capacity DDR5 stick, giving us a total of 40GB of RAM. Once inside, disconnect the battery before touching any internal components. This simple step greatly reduces the risk of accidental electrical damage. If you're planning to perform the same upgrade, I've placed the exact RAM I used in the description below. Purchasing through my Amazon affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows me to continue creating repair guides, upgrade tutorials, and troubleshooting videos like this one. Make sure the notch on the RAM matches the slot, insert it at roughly a 30-degree angle, then press it down until both clips lock securely into place. In this video, I will not be booting this laptop to the desktop. To confirm the installed RAM capacity, enter the BIOS by pressing the F2 key immediately after pressing the power button. The first boot after a memory upgrade may take a little longer than usual, so don't panic if it doesn't start immediately. While in the BIOS, verify the installed RAM capacity. Once confirmed, press F10 or Escape to exit. You'll notice smoother multitasking, better responsiveness with heavy applications, improved productivity, and more headroom for future software requirements. While games may not always gain huge FPS improvements, background tasks, streaming, recording, video editing, and professional workloads all benefit from the additional memory. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to PC Essentials, and turn on notifications so you never miss future laptop repairs, upgrades, and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.